Hi, welcome to Astley Precision. I'd like to take you on a little tour of our factory. Follow me. We're located in Irwin, Pennsylvania, just outside of Pittsburgh. At this facility we employ more than 40 skilled craftsmen, and we have over 30 CNC machines, 10 of which are 5-axis capable. We have a very organized, modern, maintained, very well maintained facility. Here's another view of our facility. Nothing but state-of-the-art equipment. We're completely temperature controlled. We have 4-axis DMG Morisiki machines, 2 sub-spindle machines, 4 very close tolerance live tooling CNC milling machines, 4 DMG Mori live tooling CNC lathe. Parts off of these machines are checked with our toolmaker's microscopes for ultra precision. This is our latest inspection machine. It's a Zeiss Zero Inspect optical machine. Here's our ISO Class 6 clean room where we can assemble customers' parts. These are our 2 Zeiss coordinate measuring machines, a 1.5 micron and the other is a 1.7 micron capable machine. This is our office support area where we do process engineering and everything else that makes us special. Thank you for visiting Astley Precision Machine Company today. We look forward to hearing from you and look forward to working with you.